Welcome everyone. I found the perfect solution to give me command of the front, rear, and cab situation. The Redtiger F17 Elite Dashcam does just that. Check it out, super easy installation. So I rough positioned the camera where I think it would work the best. So I'm going to put the electrostatic sticker on there. You have to peel this off. I cleaned the windshield really well, inside and out. Probably the cleanest it's been. You just have to get it started and then it comes right off. Probably one of those things you get one shot to do it. Okay, so now we're ready to stick this on. That feels really solid. Good. And you can still adjust the camera to whatever direction you might want. Next thing I'm going to do is a power supply cable with car charger. We are plugged in. Now there's the door weather stripping. It should slide right in there. Well, anyway, I'll finish fishing it around, getting it over to the accessory, then we can plug it in. It just took 4 or 5 minutes to run all the wire from the camera and bury it all, and then the loose wire I just tucked in out of sight. Here we go. I wonder if it'll make a sound. Blue light's on. Okay. Oh. Making some sort of, oh, it's coming on. Okay. It's lit up all pretty. This is a sticker part that comes off. You have some choices. So I think I'll remove this now before I do. Memory card slot is over here, 128 gig. You can pick your language, status light showing it's on, a power button, menu button, left, right. Okay, let's take that off. This is supposed to be sensitive, touch screen sensitive, just like a phone. Okay, so here we have like resolution, sound record, loop recording, G sensor, fatigue reminder, Wi-Fi, volume, click tone. I guess you can turn it on or off. Startup sound, screensaver. A lot of options, wow. I would say don't be nervous about pushing buttons because you can always back out of it. So that if it's highlighted, it's in red, I guess. Yeah, so loop recording, and you can choose that or not. So I haven't hooked up the rear camera yet. This one is hooked up. Before I proceed any further, I'm going to hook up the rear camera. That's this. This is the cable. So I'll run that. I'll install it around the headliners here and get it all the way to the back of the camera, to the front camera, so that will work. The cable is all hooked up all the way to the front and buried in the headliner here. And so I have this extra cable. I'm just going to tuck it up in there and stuff it down in here. I wanted to mention they also send a kit if you wanted to direct wire it into the fuse box. Maybe if you didn't have a cigarette lighter, there are buttons underneath, or you can just say turn on screen, and there you have it. It's set on all 3 cameras at this point. You can change them. Show front camera, show rear camera. To show the interior, you actually have to, let's see, this button right here will show the different ones. She just wanders around. So we're going to go for a ride and try this thing out and see how it does. So I wanted to leave a note talking about discount codes. Here we go. Turn on screen. The voice commands are really good. Keep both hands on the steering wheel that way. Very clear picture. You can hear all the bumps on the road. So this is daytime, obviously. Cabin view, you can see Kaya in the back.
This type of
What a
camera
sweetheart.
is great, though. I can check and see how she's doing.
Rear camera. It's an interesting view to know if somebody's coming up on your rear end.
This is with no lights on. Woohoo! Let's go.
This is at 9:30 at night.
This is with no lights on. Woohoo! Let's go.
And it's really actually dark. That's incredible. You can almost drive without the lights on. You can see Kaya. Now, I don't have any lights on in the cabin. That's amazing. Very good video camera. Did I say that already? Wow. Kaya likes it too, I guess. Okay, I downloaded the Redtiger app online, so I have that on my phone. I haven't activated it or connected it. You hit Wi-Fi and the speed that you want. Well, let's go 2.4. It shows you the password right on here, and it's 1234567 is the default. Okay, add camera. Okay, you have to go to your apps and hit Wi-Fi. It shows Redtiger. Password. So now you put in the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, join. There we go. So once you actually log in on the app, it will bring this up. So this is the same as what you're seeing on the screen. So once you're tied into it, you can actually run your camera from your phone. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Switches to the back. Switches inside. Here I am. And back to the front. You can fool around with that, and I'm sure you'll figure it out. Okay. So Kaya and I want to say thanks for watching. Really enjoyed using this. The Redtiger F17 Elite. It is just a really good camera. It was easy to install. I think installing the cables was made for the front camera and the back camera was maybe 15 minutes. It doesn't take long. And then mounting them, maybe 5 minutes at each. And then because I'm not electric savvy, I have a hard time just figuring out my microphone. Anyway, while the sale is on, I would say check out the link and use the discount code if you're interested in this. I think it would be a really good investment. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you're already a subscriber, don't bother. All right, and share it and watch it again and check it out. See you later. Thank you.